Hello friends, welcome back to the Scratch Coding. Today I am going to show you how to make a sprite dance on the stage. Let's start. First of all, I want to delete this sprite. I want to add here backdrop. So go to the choose backdrop option. I want to upload new backdrop. So I will select new backdrop. So I have added here new backdrop. If you want to increase the size of your backdrop, you can increase the size of backdrop. So select this image and just you increase the size of your backdrop. So like that we can select the size. So I have uploaded new backdrop for this new program. So now I want to add the different types of sprites. So go to the sprite option and you can select different types of sprite. So I have selected here one sprite. One more sprite I want. So I will select one more sprite. So here I have added two different types of sprite. Now let's start the coding. Go to the first sprite. So go to the event option. Here I want to select new event. So I will select here when spacebar key pressed. I have selected one event, that is when spacebar key pressed. Now to make a sprite dance, I want to change the costume of our sprite. Let's start. Go to the looks option and here different types of blocks are given. So select one block, that is switch costume to. Okay. So first of all, I want to check what are the different types of costumes are available for the sprite one. So go to the costume option. You can see this is the first costume, second, third and fourth. These four costumes I want to add in our program. So here I will select costume A. Now I want to add here event one wait command. So I will select here wait command and I want to add here time 0.2 second. I want to copy the same command, that is switch costume, and second that is the wait. So I will duplicate the copy. Again you can duplicate the same copy. So I want to add here different types of costume. So I have selected the different types of costume. Only here I want to change the costume B. Here I will change the costume C and here I will change the costume D. So like that I have added the code for the sprite 1. So same code I have to add for the sprite 2. So let's click on this second sprite and here you can select one event. So I will select here one event. First, that is when spacebar key pressed. Second, I want to add here different types of costume. So I will add here same code, that is switch costume. And here I want to add wait command. So I will change the time, that is 0.2 second. And now I want to duplicate the copy of these two blocks. So I will duplicate here and I will add. Again I want to duplicate. So like that we can add the different types of blocks here. So first of all, I want to check the what are the different costumes are available for the sprite 2. So go to the costumes and we can see this is the first costume, second, third and fourth. These four costumes I want to add in our program. So let's check. This is the costume A, costume B. Here I will select costume C and here I will select costume D. Sprite costumes I want to change repeatedly, so I will select here forever block and I will add here forever block. So this switch costume also I want to add in forever block, so I will add here. And now go to the first sprite. Here also I want to add the forever block, so I will add here forever block. So I will run the program by clicking the spacebar key. Both sprites are dancing, but I want to add music for this. So go to the sound option and here option is given that you choose the sound. And you can select here any dance sound. Types of sounds are available. So I will select one sound. Now go to the code option and here I want to add play sound option. So I will add here play sound option. But for this, I want to add one more event. So I will add here one event, that is spacebar key pressed. So I will add this. And here also I want to add forever block because I have to repeat the music. So you can see the code. Let's start. I will click on the sprite space.